Hello, this is Greg Sommerhof. We're at Bluestem Farm this morning. If you saw our last video, we were grading, and today we have our streets in and we're pouring our first foundation. A little bit about our community is this is 6 5-acre home sites. We actually have one site that's 29 acres and another site that is 6 acres. The other 4 home sites are 5 acres each. It's a very secluded, gentle rolling community. It's actually hard to find. And as a buyer, that's always a nice thing. It's just not off the main road. It's surrounded by open spaces and trees and other farms in this area. It's just spectacular. I look at lots in St. Charles County every single day, trying to find unique properties for our LUX Move and Ready Dream homes. And you just don't find anything like this in St. Charles County. It's the one-of-a-kind project, and it's only 6 lots. We do have 2 of them sold, so we only have 4 left. Today we're pouring the foundation for our 19th century farmhouse. This home will be available in July 2022. And if you're interested in building a custom home, or if you're in that process now or working on designing a home, you really ought to look at this. This is not a track home builder's spec house. This is a one-of-a-kind custom home with all the amenities and all the finishes that you're used to seeing with us. It's very special, and if you can avoid the custom home process and you love this product, it's just a great way to go. I'd be happy to meet you out here any day or in my office, and I'll show you what we're planning for the 19th century farmhouse, all the finishes and all the selections that have been pre-made. Appreciate it, and hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.